James Arthur is an English singer and songwriter. He was born on 2nd March 1988 to an English mother, Shirley Ashworth, and a Scottish father, Neil Arthur. Neil was a delivery driver but also used to be a DJ and drummer for many years, while Shirley was a fashion model and later a sales and marketing professional. Arthur's dad and mother split up when he was 2 years old, and they each settled with new partners. When Arthur was 3, Shirley got together with Ronnie Rafferty, a computer engineer, and Neil later married another woman. Together they had Arthur's half-sister. At the age of 14, Arthur entered a part-time voluntary foster care. He lived with his father Neil for 3 days of the week and was in foster care in Broughton, about 10 miles from Redcar, for the other 4 days. Arthur has 4 sisters and a brother. Neil and Shirley, his father and mother respectively, hardly spoke with one another for 22 years, but they agreed to attend Arthur's audition together in a family reunion to support him. Arthur provided the vocals on Sigala's track Lasting Lover, released on 4 September 2020. After his label Psycho had ceased operations, it was reported in a press release on 15 February 2021 that Arthur had signed with Columbia Records UK in a co-deal with Columbia Records Germany, and last of whom has worked with Arthur since Back from the Edge. The same press release reported that his 4th studio album is scheduled for release in 2021, and that the lead single for this album is scheduled for release in March of the same year. He rose to fame after winning the 9th series of The X Factor in 2012. His debut single, a cover of Chantel's Impossible, was released by Psycho Music after the final and debuted at number 1 on the UK singles chart. Since then, it has gone on to sell over 2.5 million copies worldwide, making it the most successful winner singles in the show's history. On 10 May 2019, Arthur released a single called Falling Like the Stars. Later, on 24 May 2019, he released a music video for it. Arthur's 3rd studio album, You, was released on 18 October 2019, along with the album's 7th single, Quite Miss Home. The album debuted and peaked at number 2 on the UK albums chart, dropped to number 10 in the following week, and stayed on the chart for a total of 24 weeks. In December 2018, Arthur was featured in The Power of Love, the UK The X Factor winning song by the season 15 winner Dalton Harris, which gave Arthur his 6th UK top 10 hit. In November 2018, Arthur was featured on The Greatest Showman Reimagined alongside Annie Mary for this song Reunite the Stars. James Arthur released singles in early 2018 without mentioning the name or release date for the album. On 1 June, James Arthur released a single, You Deserve Better. On the same day, he released another single titled At My Weakest. The video You Deserve Better came out on 12 July. His 3rd single of 2018, Empty Space, was released on 19 October. Arthur parted ways with Simon Cowell's record label Psycho in 2014. In 2015, he signed a new deal with Columbia Records to release his 2nd studio album, Back from the Edge, in 2016. He was also re-signed to Psycho in 2016. The album's lead single, titled Say You Won't Let Go, and released in September 2016, saw great success, peaking at number 1 on the UK singles chart and selling close to 2.7 million copies as of February 2021. On 8 January 2016, Arthur released a song called The Truth on iTunes in the United States. On 30 September 2016, the single reached number 1 on the UK singles chart, becoming his 2nd chart topper and making him the first male winner to have 2 UK number 1 singles.